Come and learn how to do a mix for porcelain paving. This is going to be a 4-to-1 mix. We're going to use 4 parts lime dust to 1 part cement and get the perfect mix for porcelain paving. Now, we don't usually use buckets for this, but I want to show you a true representation of what 4-to-1 means. This often confuses people, especially if you've never done it before. So 4-to-1, 4 lime dust, 4 buckets of that, with 1 bucket of cement. Now, you want to put some water into your cement mixer. Initially, about 7 litres for a 90 litre mixer, which is what this is. After this, you want to get your first 2 buckets of lime dust into the mixer, followed by half of your cement. It's important to only put half in at this point because you don't want to get too much cement in there initially, basically. Allow that to mix up for maybe about 30-40 seconds. Then, once that's ready, you're going to get your next 2 buckets of lime dust, throw them in, followed by the rest of your cement. Once you've done that, then you're going to want to add a little bit more water, again about another 7 litres for a 4-to-1 mix. After about a minute or 2 of mixing, your mix should be ready and look like this. Get it poured out and in your barrel, and I hope that this video has helped you guys in making your first mix to lay a porcelain paver. And if you don't already, please do like this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.